Today, I am reviewing the Beelink External Pro GPU docking station. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's dive into what makes this eGPU dock stand out. At its core, it features dual PCIe 5.0 chips that provide blazing fast data transfer speeds of up to 32 GT/s, which means you get minimal lag and zero stuttering even when pushing your GPU to its limits. This setup supports the latest generation GPUs with enough bandwidth to fully utilize ray tracing, 8K rendering, and other cutting-edge graphics technologies. For professionals working with 3D rendering or AI computing, this performance boost is invaluable. Power delivery is another highlight. The dock has a PCIe X16 slot paired with dual 8-pin power connectors, so it can deliver stable and ample power to even the most power-hungry graphics cards. This ensures your GPU operates at peak efficiency without any throttling or instability. In addition to graphics expansion, the Beelink Pro EX docking station also offers extra functionality with a PCIe 4.0 M.2 2280 slot. This means you can add high-speed NVMe SSD storage to your mini PC setup for faster data access and better workflow efficiency. There's also support for a Wi-Fi module, which can boost your networking capabilities, although you can only use either the SSD or Wi-Fi module at one time. Physically, the dock is compact and well-built, measuring just under 9 by 7 by 2.5 inches. It fits neatly on your desktop without taking up too much space, and the durable design means it can handle regular use. The dock comes with additional USB 2.0 ports and an external antenna interface for those who want to improve Wi-Fi signal strength, though the antenna is sold separately. Cooling is taken care of with an external fan power interface, keeping your GPU cool during extended use. Installing the Beelink External Pro GPU docking station is straightforward, but requires care. You start by removing the silicone plug from the bottom of the dock, then attach the dock circuit board to the mini PC's PCIe slot using screws. After securing the graphics card backplane and inserting the card vertically into the dock's PCIe slot, connect the GPU's power cables and your display cables. Important, always ensure your mini PC and dock are powered off throughout the installation process for safety. One important note: this dock is specifically compatible with Beelink's GTi14 185H, GTi14 155H, GTi 13,900 Hong Kong dollars, and GTi12 Ultra 12900H mini PCs. It won't work with other models, so make sure your hardware matches before purchasing. In conclusion, the Beelink External Pro GPU docking station is a must-have if you want to unlock desktop-class GPU power on your compact Beelink mini PC. It seamlessly boosts performance for gaming, video editing, 3D design, AI work, and more, all without needing to switch to a bulky desktop. The high-speed PCIe 5.0 support, dual 8-pin power connectors, extra expansion options, and solid build quality make this an efficient and versatile solution for anyone wanting to maximize their mini PC's capabilities. If you're ready to take your Beelink mini PC's graphics to the next level with RTX 4050 or RX 9000 series cards, this external GPU dock is the best way to do it.